Hello everyone. I wanted to make this video which is a bit unusual for me because one of the things that is thrown up in my job as a futurist is that there's an awful lot of attention paid to the stories around the future, but the thing that always seems to be missing is our state of mind as regards to it. You know, there's a lot of fear about whether artificial intelligence and robots and so on and so forth are going to take our job, and actually I think that the world is heading into something much more computerized and humanized at the same time. And I'm currently on a 3-day course being run by Piers Thurston and Rena Loiseau, and what I'm finding really intriguing about it is that they found a way of sort of embracing what spiritualists and mysticists have known since the dawn of time, which is that we are creatures that act entirely in the moment. And I think that that true understanding of what we are will actually, or has the potential really to enhance us as a species. And actually I think that humanization that I talked about earlier is something that we should really aim for. And so as a result of this 3-day course, I'm feeling very optimistic, and I don't think that this is the kind of traditional contact high that people sometimes get from doing personal development courses, but it's something much more deep. And so I'm going to put a link into the links underneath this video, and I really strongly recommend that if you're interested in sort of finding out not who you are but what you are, something worth looking at. So I really recommend this course, and hope that you will take a look.